We've just covered a wide variety of technical specifications that need to be configured before you start working in your DAW. I'd like to give you kind of a rundown or a checklist of things to configure before you start working, things to just remember before you start going. First is name your file well, and I would suggest having a folder on your computer where you actually store all of your projects so that you know where things are going and they're easy to back up. Then set your digital audio preferences. So this may be done on the driver for your interface, and it may be done in the DAW, but you want to configure it for your sample rate. I would suggest 48,000 Hertz, and your bit depth, I would suggest 24-bit recording. Then set the recording file type. Remember, we're using an uncompressed file type. I would suggest broadcast wave if possible, and if not, AAFF or WAV are fine. Then you want to set your hardware settings. Make sure that your DAW is configured to work with your audio interface. The system preferences will not configure what the audio application is going to use for its in-out. So you'll have to go to the DAW's preferences to configure it to use your interface for audio in and out. And finally, set your buffer size. I would suggest starting with 128 samples per buffer, and you'll have to bring it up later when necessary.